friends, good morning. I am Ansupriya from Jharkhand. Now I am going to tell something about which study is best, online or...
My name is Astha Srivastava, class first year, State Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Top.
Hi guys, my name is Shubha Dikshit. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh, and today I am standing here to deliver you a debate of online study versus offline.
Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. Myself Archana from.
My name is Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh.
Good morning everyone. I am Sapta Kumari and I am from Bihar. Today my topic is which study is best.
My name is Meenu. I am from Jalandhar city. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Today,
it's me, Phoni Sharma. I am from Bihar, district Kishanganj. So, my dear friends.
Good morning. My name is Deepak Kumar Modi. I am from Gredi, Jharkhand. Today,
I am from Kolega. My today topic.
Good morning, my dear friends. Today we will talk about online classes. Friends, these days there.
Hi friends, I am Sujit Kumar. I am from Garhwa, Jharkhand.
My name is Shubhan Pandey. I am from Uttar Pradesh, and first of all, I want to thank sir who has given me this opportunity.
my name is Rahul Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Today my topic is
Hi guys, my name is Bhamna Vaishnav. I read in class 10th in Government Senior Secondary School, Banota. My district is Palin, State Rajasthan.
I am Habiba from Wardha. My today's topic is.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Sher Singh. Thank you sir giving this opportunity to speak in front of people.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mastery Friends, as you know that yesterday I gave you one topic and the topic was which study is best, online studies or offline studies. And from India, across India there are many students who sent me video and I have selected some videos for you and you are going to watch them. You have seen the preview and now let's see that how they're speaking. But before that I would like to tell you one thing that I am starting a new batch. मैं एक नई बैच शुरू कर रहा हूँ और अभी सारे बच्चे बोलेंगे आप उन्हें देखोगे, लेकिन मैं कल से एक बैच शुरू कर रहा हूँ. कल उसका टाइमिंग आपको जानना है, उसकी फ़ीस जानना है तो आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं. ऑनलाइन बैच रहेगी. ऐप पर सिर्फ मैं बेसिक पढ़ाता हूँ. आपने जो ऐप डाउनलोड किया है मास स्टडी का, उस पर सिर्फ बेसिक क्लासेस मिलेगी. अगर आपका बेसिक कमज़ोर है तो आपको ऐप पर पढ़ाई करना है. लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ एडवांस की प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हो और वो भी मेरे साथ पढ़ना चाहते हो एडवांस, मैं खुद पढ़ाऊँगा, एक की काउंसलिंग करूँगा, पूरा जूम पर हमारा क्लास होगा, लाइव क्लास होगा. तो बहुत ही शानदार क्लास मैंने कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया है और ये कोर्स मात्र 2 महीने का है. कितने दिन का है? मात्र 2 महीने का कोर्स है. उसकी फ़ीस भी मैंने बहुत कम रखी है, बहुत मिनिमम फ़ीस रखी है. तो आप जुड़ जाइए मेरे साथ. नंबर दे रहा हूँ, इस नंबर पर कॉल करिए. और अगर कोई जानकारी चाहिए, जैसे आपको टाइम पूछना हो, फीस जाननी हो, उसमें क्या क्या मैं पढ़ाऊँगा, है ना, तो आप इस पे कॉल करके, इसमें मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं. बेझिझक कॉल कर लीजिए क्योंकि कल से शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, इंडिया के अलग अलग जगह के बच्चे हैं, तमिलनाडु के, महाराष्ट्र के, केरला के, इधर नॉर्थ से, कश्मीर के कुछ बच्चे हैं, कुछ बच्चे हमारे फॉरेन के भी है, कनाडा के हैं, दुबई के. तो कुछ बच्चे सिलेक्टिव बच्चे लिए मैंने. तो अगर आप भी जुड़ना चाहते हो, अगर आप भी देखो ये समय है, हम सब लोग घर बैठे हैं, अगर आप जुड़ना चाहते हो, अगर आप अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हो और जो ये बच्चे बोल रहे हैं इनके जैसे बोलना चाहते हो तो आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और आप और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. मैं स्पेशली आपको फ्लुएंसी सिखाऊंगा, हाउ यू कैन स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई विल टीच यू हाउ कैन एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स, इन द पार्टीज, इन द इंटरव्यू. तो स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग होगी, बहुत सारी बातें सीखने को मिलेगी क्योंकि पूरे 60 दिन रहेंगे हमारे पास. तो आप ज़रूर इस पर कॉल करके जानकारी लें और कल से मेरे साथ जुड़ जाएं लाइव क्लास में, है ना. और ये नॉर्मल क्लास होगी, लाइव क्लास होगी. हम फेस टू फेस में आपके डाउट सॉल्व करूंगा, आप मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, आपको भी बोलने का मौका दिया जाएगा, बहुत सारी बातें. तो ये तो क्लास के बारे में. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू द टॉपिक. हमारा जो कल का टॉपिक है, कल का टॉपिक बहुत सिंपल है. दैट टॉपिक इज टेल योर डेली रूटीन. मतलब आपको अपना दिनचर्या बतानी है. व्हाट इज टुमारोज टॉपिक? टेल योर डेली रूटीन. अपने दिनचर्या के बारे में बताएं. तो आपको ये जो सेंटेंसेस आप बनाओगे तो पहले पैराग्राफ को लिखें, उसको लर्न करें. इसका स्ट्रक्चर बहुत सिंपल है. आई वेक अप इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग, आई गो टू स्कूल एट 9 o'clock. अब स्कूल तो लगती नहीं, तो आप दिन भर क्या करते हैं उसकी एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में आपको बताना है. तो ये सारे वाक्य प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में बनेंगे. ध्यान रखना है कैसे बनेंगे, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस में. अगर आपको डेली रूटीन बताते नहीं आता है तो मेरा वीडियो है, मैंने वीडियो बना रखा है मेरे चैनल पर, आप जाएंगे ना स्पोकन इंग्लिश में तो वहाँ पर एक वीडियो है जिसका नाम है डेली रूटीन, तो उस पर क्लिक करिए, वो वीडियो देखिए। मैंने बहुत अच्छे से मैंने बताया है कि अपना डेली रूटीन कैसे बताएं। तो मैं बात आपको बता दूं कि जो भी वीडियोस मुझे भेजते हैं, देखो रीड नहीं करना है। अगर आप रीड करोगे सामने से ना तो आपकी आंखें पता चल जाती है कि आप रीड कर रहे हो, तो उनको मैं सिलेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ। जो अटकते हैं, जो रीड करते हैं, आपको कंटेंट भले आप 30 सेकंड का कंटेंट बोलिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन बोलना फ्लुएंट है, बोलना बहुत स्पीड से बोलना है, अच्छे से बोलना है, ज़्यादा स्पीड भी नहीं चाहिए, आराम से बोलो, पर लगना चाहिए कि आप मन से बोल रहे हो। तो ठीक है, कोशिश ये करना कि रीड नहीं करना है, वरना आपका वीडियो सेलेक्ट नहीं होगा। वीडियो भले 30 सेकंड का हो, 50 सेकंड का हो, 1.5 मिनट का हो, 2 मिनट का हो, लेकिन आराम से कंफर्टेबली बोलिए। आवाज़ अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आवाज़ तेज होनी चाहिए। तो कल का टॉपिक मैंने बता दिया है, अपना डेली रूटीन बताना है, अपना दैनिक दिनचर्या बतानी है। ठीक है, चलिए जल्दी ही मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अभी सबको सुनते हैं, सबने क्या क्या बोला है, चलिए सबको सुनते हैं। थैंक यू।
Hi friends, it's me Phoni Sharma. I am from Bihar, district Kishanganj. So my dear friends, today I would like to say about online class and offline class. So which is the best? According to me, offline class is better than online class. I will want to say one by one. So it is offline class is good because sir teach in front of us. Whatever sir will teach us, we cannot understand that time, so we can ask again. And through the offline class, we can meet our friends. And we can enjoy too much. Without internet, you cannot join the online class. And but many students join on the online class, but they do not understand. They cannot understand properly what did sir teach. So, and they never try to understand again. So it is not good for, according to me. That's all.
Friends, good morning. I am Ansupriya from Jharkhand. Now I am going to tell something about which study is best, online or offline. Firstly, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. According to me, I prefer online education because online education is better than offline education. Online education is way which help the student in studying that time when pandemic is outbreak of COVID-19. It is very useful studying at home. We can study in online as we study in physical class. A student who studies online can take up the class from anywhere and anytime. Online education is more flexibility. Online education saves our time. We can also watch recording with multiple times. Online education are affordable. Online education also improve our communication skill and self-discipline. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good morning, my dear friends. Today we will talk about online classes. Friends, these days there are lots of teachers are teaching and taking online classes from their home. The online classes has changed the education system. Quality of education and quality of teachers have come out due to online classes. We can learn anytime, anywhere. There is no any foundation. There are lots of advantage of online classes, but we will discuss most of them. Friends, we can save our time and take online classes at the minimum price and minimum cost, and we can connect at the central level students and fight the central level students. Online study material, get PDF and ask doubt without any shyness. We can learn any skill online, just like communication skill like Mass Study Learning app. By the Mass Study Learning app, we can learn communication skill. How can we communicate? And second, we can watch video multiple times. There is no any foundation. These are the advantage of the online classes. Thank you, sir, to giving this opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.
Hi guys, my name is Shubha Dikshit. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh, and today I am standing here to deliver you a debate of online study versus offline study. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So let's get started. I like online study because a student that can easily attend to the class at any time from anywhere. Online classes will save the time of the students. Learn can easily a wealth education. It don't require any infrastructure to teach. Technology skill will be developed by using online apps. Student can take the help and using the internet access to any time. There is no age limit of learner. Disadvantage of offline study: wastage of time and resources. Students not find a competitive peer group and hence not motivated enough. Students would not be learned about advanced technology. Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance.
Hi guys, my name is Bhamna Vaishnav. I read in class 10th in Government Senior Secondary School Panota. My district is Palin, state Rajasthan. Today I am here to speak on topic which study is best, offline study or online study. I think offline study is best compared to online study. So some advantage of offline study. Offline study are more beneficial and productive compared to other mode of study. Offline study provide a healthy competitive environment to the student. Offline study provide direct interaction between teacher and student. Some disadvantage of online study: internet package nowadays are more costly. Slow internet speed are biggest failure of online study. Thanks for watching.
Good morning everyone. I am Sapta Kumari and I am from Bihar. Today my topic is which study is best, offline study या online study. According to me, offline study is best than online study. Now I will speak some advantage of offline study and some disadvantage of online study. First, advantage of offline study: doubt and question can be easily cleared in the offline mode of study. Second point is teacher can be easily judge the performance of every student in the classroom. Third point is homework is best about in this mode of study. That help is develop pressure. Fourth point is offline study provide a healthy competitive environment to the student. Now some disadvantages of offline study: chatting and play game during online study. Second point is slow internet is the biggest problem of the online learning. Third point is everyone is not able to run internet. Fourth point is online learning requires a smartphone which cannot be offered by anyone. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning to one and all and thank you for being here. Friends, my name is Neeraj Kumar and I am from Bihar at Jammu district. Today I am gonna speak about which study is best, offline study and online study. Friends, according to me, offline study is the best better than online study, because in offline class there is good interaction between teacher and student. We can talk face to face with teacher and we can ask them question in easily way, and he can give us answer in easily, but there are no facility these all in online class. So we can say that offline class is the best better than online class. Thank you sir to giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. That's all friend.
Hi friends, I am Habiba from Vardha. My today's topic is which study is best, online studies or offline studies. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. I am going to tell advantage of online studies. Teachers explain us through the projectors, videos and pictures in online studies. We enjoy a lot in online studies. Due to coronavirus, we love online studies very much. I think all students like online studies. We have installed new apps and studies fun. Now I am going to tell disadvantage of offline studies. Some teachers punish us. That's why some students don't go to school because of fear. And teachers don't understand through the projectors, videos and pictures. That's why students like online studies more than offline studies. Thank you.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Deepak Kumar Modi. I am from Grade Jharkhand. Today's my topic is which study is best, online classes or offline classes. So I start my topic. Education is the most necessary for all person. It has given by two methods. First online classes, second offline classes. But I think that offline classes is the best because its advantages. In offline classes, the students keeps discipline will be necessary. Students would focus more on studies. A teacher could pay more attention to students, more instruction between students and teacher. Some disadvantage of online classes are: in online classes, the students do not keep discipline. Students would focus less on studies. Teacher unable to pay equal attention to students. Less instruction between students and teachers. So offline classes is the better than online classes. Thanks sir for giving me this opportunity.
Hello friends, my name is Meenu. I am from Jalandhar city. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today is my topic, which classes is good, online versus offline. In my opinion, offline classes is better than online classes because their teacher easily explain this topic and student can easily understand this topic. If you talk about poor people, they have no mobile phone. In the village, network problem are also available. So it is not possible everybody can understand properly, and some children.
Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you. Myself Archana from Surat. Today I will tell you about the advantages of online study as compared to offline. Thank you sir for giving me such an opportunity, and also thanks for supporting us and this type of new activities. Friends, nowadays online study has more important and more common. Just having the freedom to study from anywhere. In corona pandemic, as people stay at home and study, then it become more effective. In online study, students save their time and resources as compared to offline study. In online study, also students could get a chance to know about our resources, technology and scenario, whereas in offline study they would not. In online study also students are more comfortable as compared to offline study. Thank you.